What's up, guys? Derek Johnson here, and I wanted to invite you to the next 3-day leads challenge. So this is going to be kicking off April 19th, and basically this will be the second one that I did publicly. I had a few people join me in the last one, and we did a little training, set them up with some processes, and did a little mastermind type deal. So I'm looking to do another one of these. This might be a monthly thing, depends how it goes, but basically, I'm going to show you guys what I do on Facebook to generate 50 to 100 new leads every day, just in the background while I'm working on other things in my business. I'm not always generating leads because sometimes I don't want to deal with the leads, but I have a push button system that basically anytime I want to generate leads, I can just push a button in the morning. It's going to go out and find my ideal clients for me on autopilot. I can optionally send them a message to kind of start the conversation. And a lot of those will turn into software trials for me. Some of those turn into partner deals and stuff like that. So I'm going to be breaking down my whole process for you guys, as well as setting you up with the same tools that I use during this challenge. So if you guys are interested, feel free to jump in. What we're going to do is meet in a Facebook group or a Zoom, depending on which way we want to go. It could be a Facebook Live. I like to do Zoom. That way you guys can kind of interact at the same time. But depending on how people feel about getting on camera and actually engaging, we can figure out what we want to do. But after you sign up, basically you guys will get a text message and you'll be added into a Chirply campaign for me, just to keep track of things. And you can kind of see the last month's video here. I need to re-record a short video for this month. But it's basically the same kind of format. You guys can grab a ticket. I did update all the dates. So it's going to be April 19th. That's a Monday, starting at noon Eastern. And it's going to be 45 minutes to an hour session. We'll have Q&A at the end of each day. I'm going to give you guys the keys to the kingdom so you can actually run this system for yourself, see if it works for you or not. And I will have a special offer as well at the end. So be sure to take advantage of this. If you are interested in generating leads for your business, whether you're into coaching, if you have a service-based business, this will work for anyone who needs to get more leads and find their ideal clients on Facebook. So this isn't Facebook ads. This is 100% organic marketing. And the process that I've kind of dialed in has been proven to work for many people. So hopefully you guys can join me on that. I want to say thank you to everybody who's jumped into the previous one, as well as all the clients that I've been working with so far with Legendary Leads. You guys are awesome. So if you guys need help with marketing your business online, whether it's running ads, setting up your funnels, getting software to automate different processes in your business, email automations, all the integrations with text messages, all that stuff, feel free to reach out to me. I have some awesome clients I'm working with now, but I do have some space for a couple more. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to hit me up. I'm going to be dropping this video on Facebook in my groups, on LinkedIn, as well as YouTube. So feel free to stay in touch whatever platform you prefer. And I'll be sharing some more details over the coming week or so. And if you guys are interested, feel free to message me, drop a comment. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.